You remember Silent Thunder Ordnance, right? You're like,
Yeah, the flashlight company. I ain't stupid.
yeah, well, they're also the ferro rod company, if you remember my lame SCJG3 review from a few weeks back where I ferro rodded. Was it a month now? All these damn videos run together. Well, they also make sharp things too, that you can cut yourself on. Which, if I read the channel synopsis correctly, I think that's what these videos are about. I'd say it's an emo channel, but that joke isn't funny anymore. Well, they make this thing called a Scalpeldashi, which is a cross between a scalpel and a kiridashi. A scalpel, of course, is an instrument of torture, and a kiridashi is a small Japanese project or bench knife with a chisel grind. Kiridashis typically do not have removable blades and would require sharpening unless they sit around like most of your other knives, or maybe you made a terrible deal with an evil wizard.
Your Kiridashi will stay sharp forever. However, your pee will come out in the form of large pieces of gravel.
The Silent Thunder Ordnance Kiridashi, or kiradashi, it's spelled two different ways, has a removable scalpel blade that can be replenished like the name suggests with surgical scalpel blades that are super cheap unless you know of an abandoned insane asylum where you can get them for free. The rustier the better. They make these by starting out with the bayonet of a surgical scalpel and then adding their own Silent Thunder Ordnance handles and sheaths, or I guess end caps, in different finishes. These work great and save the place of a disgusting xacto knife. Okay, a compliment to one. I don't want to incur the wrath of the xacto mob. It is shorter than an xacto though, so it gives you different options to hold it. Oh yeah, dimensions. I measured all kinds of stuff here, like the length, the cap on and off, or sheathed and unsheathed, and the weights of the respective configurations. You'll notice the lanyard loop on the cap. And how about the thickness and the width? Would make an excellent neck knife for the model airplane crowd, which would be, of course, a great uncle or grandpa you don't have a lot in common with. And the blade. Note you can get multiple blade options in scalpels. This is the standard 10A blade. The Scalpeldashi is not a game knife or very tactical unless you are, in fact, stupid, but it's a great option for a workbench, or you decide to start doing model airplanes like an old guy. If you sleep in a different bed of the house as your wife, but still, let's say, happily married, this is the age I'm talking about. Wives, this is a great option too for arts and crafts. Plus, you're right, he snores and I wouldn't share the bed with him either. Except on date night. Or when he does something other than watch Matlock reruns all day. The Scalpeldashi takes many different scalpel sizes. 6, 9, those two together were no accident. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. They actually list the compatible sizes on Silent Thunder Ordnance's website, so I won't bore you any further with them. Or, you know what, maybe I should. The Scalpeldashi is like a fancier, classier version of your current peasant's project knife that you use for fine detail work on your ship in a bottle while you drink your Busch Light in the garage when your wife's watching Murder, She Wrote. Or maybe you're an evil doctor that tortures people in your abandoned sanitarium. That's fine. The Scalpeldashi is inclusive of all lifestyles, from the old to the evil. If you like this video, subscribe to the channel, give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment. Did you know I have a Patreon now? You're like, yeah, I saw it on Instagram. Well, that's a website where you can pledge $1 or $5 or more a month to support this channel. Kind of like supporting NPR, but instead of fresh air, it's more like whatever air is that's just made out of farts. And for a guy who cuts, things and drinks beer. There's also a coupon code below for subscribers who would like a discount off this. If you don't like discounts, you don't have to use it. Check out Silent Thunder Ordnance's website where they have flashlights, ferro rods, slingshots, and other unusual handmade items. Thanks for watching.